Hi, are you looking for the best way how to burn fat fast and feel and look healthier? In this video, I'm going to share 3 secrets on how to burn fat fast and enjoy the benefits of staying in what's called a fat burning state, losing weight, living a more active and confident life. Hi, my name is Alane. I am a 30-plus year experienced holistic nutritionist and a metabolic expert. I do not struggle helping people burn fat fast, lose inches, and get into those skinny jeans that are back in the closet. Most people from day to day are running on sugar for energy. They just are. And they're not using fat, which is the healthier way and the best way to burn fat fast and keep it off. The idea is really simple. Teach your body how to burn fat fast by teaching it how to become what's called fat adaptive. That's a fancy way for saying using fat for fuel, which is energy. When you are fat adaptive, you will be totally amazed how much healthier you're going to feel, and you're going to experience the many health benefits that go along with losing weight. The first few months that I changed from sugar to fat for fuel and became fat adaptive, I immediately noticed my shape was changing and I liked what I was seeing. I was like, this is cool and this is easy. I also noticed better brain focus, mental clarity, which we could all use, better decision making, stronger hair, healthier hair. I was looking younger. I'm almost 60 and most people say I don't look 60. And I had a lot more energy during the day. I didn't need that 20-minute shutdown nap that I used to need years ago. Plus, I was shrinking, and I really liked that. My belly was going whoop, and I liked it. There were other benefits of teaching your body to be fat adaptive, to burn fat fast. Reduced appetite, which is really good. Reduced cravings for sugar and carbs, which is good again. Improve brain focus, so you just get more done in the day more efficiently. Improve energy, again, so you can do more with your friends, family, coworkers, etc. Burning fat, you lose weight easier, and confidence is better. And so is longevity, which is really good. Now, what did I do to help people become fat adaptive? Really simple. I created a simple and effective program anyone can do. It's called Metabolic Mastery. It focuses on the metabolism because if your metabolism isn't working right for you, your ability to burn fat fast will be slow no matter how little you eat or how much exercise you do. I want to give you an example. I had a 52-year-old busy mom come in to see me locally in Atlanta. A doc sent her in and she sat down in my office and she says, I've heard some really good things about you, Alane, but you're not going to get me to lose weight. No one has. I was like, you want to bet? And we shook hands. She goes, all right, I'm up for this. I was like, I am too. So what I did is I run some comprehensive metabolic blood work on her and saliva hormones and cortisol testing. Totally different. She's like, all right, I'm game. So what we found was really simple for her. Now, the answers to everyone is different. This is just for her. Her fat storage markers were really, really high. So this girl was storing fat no matter what she did. And you know what she was eating a lot of? Fat. I was like, let's change. Let's reduce your fat and up your protein. She goes, yeah, but I like to eat nuts and seeds for, driving in the car with the kids. I was like, change the chicken. She said, all right. So what she did is she got rid of fat in her diet because for her it wasn't good. Changed to protein because her protein level was low in her blood. And the saliva testing showed something really interesting. Her hormones were low. She goes, yeah, but they're normal in the blood. I said, I don't care about that. I want to know where they are in the saliva, in the tissues. if your hormones are low in the tissue, cortisol's gonna go up. And you're gonna gain belly fat. It always happens. So we changed it. We made her body work better, reduced the cortisol, supported her hormones better. She came back in a few weeks later. She goes, okay, I lost 20 pounds. I was like, awesome. And we celebrated, which is what I love to do. I love to celebrate successes with people. Another thing that I use to help people get fat adaptive is I teach them, and not everyone has to do this, but I like to teach about drinking ketones. Now, I start my morning out every morning drinking the Prove It brand ketones because a friend of mine, Shane Friels, who's a top champion bodybuilder, fitness trainer, taught me about them. He uses them for his clients. I really like them. Plus, they taste good. So I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face every morning. I do. And I start sipping on therapeutic ketones, and they taste really good, and they wake me up. They wake this up so I can see more clients during the day and help more people. And what I noticed with them is my body shape started to change. And I started being able to see more clients during the day, and I had more energy to go out at night. And I'm like, oh, this is cool. And they also curb my appetite. And I'm a hungry nutritionist. I just am. I talk about food. I think about food all day long. And I get hungry. And my energy is now through the roof with them. So there'll be a link below to click on so you can read about therapeutic ketones. There's only one brand that I like. The other ones I didn't like. They made me tired, and that's not okay. So step number 3 for how I teach people how to burn fat fast is food. You're like, okay, what do you mean? Well, as I said, I had 30 years of experience in the field of holistic nutrition and the metabolism, and I know what to eat to burn fat and keep it off. It's really easy. In my program, Metabolic Mastery, I will teach you how much protein, fat, net carbs you need to eat, when, and why. And it's not complicated. It's really, really easy. What's the deal with fruit? It's sugar. I'll teach you how to eat fruit properly. And fat is fat. Write this down. Fat is fat. Protein is protein. If you want to increase your protein, don't increase your fat. It's a mistake so many people make. They just do. And of course, working out will help you burn fat fast. It does. But you know what? Not everyone can work out because they're hurting or they're tired or they're working 24/7. I get it. So my program, Metabolic Mastery, will teach you how to eat to burn fat, build lean muscle mass, have more energy, get your hormones balanced, your thyroid working right, things like that, so you feel better. So your joints feel better. You have more mobility, more confidence. So maybe you can start using the rower or the exercise bike or starting to go on small walks here and there. Anything to get the body moving is good. But I know not everyone can do that right away. I understand that. Sickness, illness happens. It just does. So do I understand how to burn fat fast and keep it off? Yes. I'll tell you a story. I gained 30 pounds, 30 pounds during menopause, and this nutritionist was not happy. I used this exact scientific plan, and I lost the 30 pounds quickly in about 12 weeks, and it stayed off. I have had thousands and thousands of successes with Metabolic Mastery, and as I said in the beginning of the video, I do not struggle getting weight off anybody. I just don't. So a couple things. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Comment below. I'd love to chat with you. Send me an email. If you're ready to get started, and I hope you are, because I love celebrating successes with people. I just go, woohoo, okay. Click on the link below. Get started on your success with weight loss and burning fat for fuel. Order the Metabolic Mastery program. I can't wait to see you on the inside, and I want to celebrate with you. God bless. Big hug. Bye-bye.